So as you can see, I got this thing all pulled out. Cooling system's not hooked up yet. Of course, you can see right here what's missing. It's a master cylinder. I got that on the bench. I'm gonna bleed it, but for right now, I just want to see if the transmission's gonna work on it, because it'd be kind of pointless to do all this work and then transmission doesn't go into gear. Filled it up yesterday. What I'm gonna be doing is just checking fluid, make sure everything's good on it. See if she'll go into gear. It's probably on the other side.
Nothing so far.
Spin it.
Nothing.
Hear it change idle. Pump's kicking in now. We got transmission. Sweet. That means we got transmission now, so I need to check fluid again.
You want to tell them what you did on the AC?
Since it was a straight 6 in here, it's a 235 straight 6, someone put a older style vintage air into it. So what I did, I'm using the same compressor that came off of it. We made a bracket for it, and I'm also using, for the front runner system here, I'm also using the factory Corvette style little V-built drive system here. So this is the old compressor off the 235 here. I custom made these lines because the other lines weren't going to work, so I just made custom lines. The only thing that's that's original from us pulling out the straight 6 is radiator here, the condenser, the hard lines, AC box, and this AC compressor. Still got a little bit more things to finish up, but for right now it's just maybe just moving around the shop, kind of test drive area, and then I need to fill up the power steering unit also. Hopefully it'll be up and moving today on its own power. So we pretty much got this thing up and running now. There's a few little odds and ends that need to be done. We need to get rear brake cylinders for it. Need to hook up the AC, need to hook up the gas gauge on it, tidy up some wiring underneath here, put the carpet back in and everything else. But right now it moves underneath its own power, which is a good thing. Brakes suck because I have no rears right now, so there's no really driving it right now. Get a kick down switch for this thing and then adjust the shifter a little bit and fix that too. That's kind of annoying. But first hit, yeah, got some progress still left on it before she's actually a driver. But she's all together now. Like I said, it's just good enough to move around. Still waiting on parts, wheel cylinders. I'll put the front bumper on probably tomorrow and then just tidy up the front end and everything. So you got the headlights kind of suck in a little bit. This one I need to work with. But before, this headlight was sticking all the way out here. I need to fix some of the clips in here. But she's pretty much all together. We need to get a little bit smaller air cleaner for it. As you can see, water side, I got my heater hoses routed, got the AC all nice and routed. I just need to put O-rings on it and tighten everything up and then clamp everything down. She's good enough to move out of the hole for right now, so that way we can get started on a couple more projects. Hopefully get some of this quick stuff out. What, 5 months? 5, 6 months, which is pretty quick to build a truck. And I think it looks sharp with the Corvette wheels on it and side pipes and everything else. She's come a long way, and we've been busting our butts on that old girl. I'm pretty proud of her. Once we get it up and driving the way we want it, the customer's gonna be smiling like a donkey eating briar, so.